Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down products so you know exactly what's worth your time and money. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best Pallino ball replacement on the market, the Deekin 2-pack 57mm Bocce Pallino set. If you've ever played a game of bocce and misplaced your Pallino, you know how frustrating it can be. Most sets don't come with extras, and losing the little white ball can bring your backyard tournament to a screeching halt. That's where this product comes in. The Deekin 2-pack provides not just a replacement, but a long-term solution. Let's start with what you get. Inside the package are two 57mm white Pallino balls, perfectly sized for standard bocce ball games. Whether you're playing casually with friends or setting up a competitive match, the size and weight of these balls match what you'd expect from professional grade sets. And yes, they do fit seamlessly with most regulation bocce sets. Now about the build. These Pallinos are made of durable resin, a material known for its ability to withstand repeated impacts. That means when your game gets heated and those bocce balls come flying in at full force, the Deekin Pallino stands up to the challenge. The high-gloss white finish isn't just sleek, it's also functional. Even in low lighting or uneven terrain, the bright color helps players easily spot the target ball from across the court. You won't be squinting or second-guessing where the Pallino landed. The fact that it comes as a 2-pack is a smart move by Deekin. Not only do you get a backup for peace of mind, but it's also perfect if you want to keep one at home and another in a travel set. Or if you're like me, you'll misplace one eventually, and having a second means your game can keep going. And speaking of portability, these are light and easy to pack. Whether you're heading to the beach, the park, or just your backyard, the Deekin Pallinos slip easily into your gear bag without adding bulk or weight. While we're not diving into customer reviews today, it's worth mentioning that this product has carved out a niche for itself thanks to its simplicity, affordability, and reliability. There's no over-engineering, no unnecessary features, just a quality product that solves a very real problem for bocce players. If you need a dependable, regulation-size replacement that won't let you down, this is a product you should seriously consider. For a small price, you're getting durability, consistency, and peace of mind. That's it for today's breakdown. If you're ready to keep the bocce games going strong, head to the link in the description and check out the Deekin 2-pack for yourself. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where smart shopping starts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a deep dive into the products that make life just a bit better. See you next time.